everyone, and welcome back to Premier Finds. My name is Michelle, and on this video I want to talk to you about the Louis Vuitton Toiletry Trio. In particular, I want to show you how you can convert the 26 into a cute little handbag by using an accessory. I'm going to insert another video that you really need to go and look at, where I do a deeper dive into the origin and the why of this bag. Briefly, I will just share that Louis Vuitton discontinued this bag in particular, the 26. People were making this into a handbag by using an insert and then putting a chain on it. And so Louis Vuitton discontinued it, reformulated the bag, put some vachetta leather on either side, and then added slip pockets within the bag and added a chain, and then decided to charge over to $1,700 for it. And they were using that with the 26. Out of all of the pieces, the 26 is the most highly coveted. After they discontinued the Trio, this was selling for 3 times its worth. When it first came out, it was only about $500. People enjoyed this size so much they were getting double for it on the pre-loved market. So in 2021, I think it was April of last year, Louis Vuitton released the Trio again. Differences being, they added some color. In the 26, you have the pink, no slip pockets. The 19, hope I'm right, you have the poppy. That's why I want you to go to that other video. And then in the 15, you have fuchsia, if I'm not mistaken. Here you go. But the purpose of this video is to show you how you can convert this into a cute little handbag. I was telling a friend about it, and I promised her that I would show her how to do it. So I decided to show you as well. I ordered this from Amazon. It comes like this, okay? And it is a little pouch. It also comes with some D-rings, as well as a chain. This one is in particular is leopard, okay? But you can use any chain. It then also has, where are my D-rings? My D-rings. Hold please, those are important. Found my D-rings. Okay, so we have the 26 right here. This is the insert I got from Amazon. You're going to open your 26. You are going to insert your insert. You're gonna put it in that way, okay? You will notice, and I probably could have done it this way, my apologies. You will notice that on either side of what I got from Amazon, you already have some D-rings on that, right? They send you some additional ones. You're going to take it out. It's going to seem cumbersome and overwhelming, but it really isn't. You're going to take one. You're going to open that and attach it right here. Okay? You're going to take the other. If I can find it, what'd you do? Okay, right here. You're gonna take it. I hope you can see this. May have to come in close. You're gonna take it, clip it right there, right? Okay. Then you're going to take your chain, right? Attach your chain to your D-ring, your little hoop there. Do it this way. Attach it right here. There you have it. Okay, you're going to slide that inside your bag. And there you have it, okay? Yes, it will zip. What I should have done, and I apologize, I'm gonna unhinge that, and I'm going to bring it around this way so that it zips, and I will show you, no problem zipping. And there you are, friends, right here all day long, okay? Cute little bag. If I wanted to. Now, if I had on a cute little sundress, I can get away with wearing it on the shoulder. depending on the size of your arm and the clothing that you're wearing, and depending upon the chain, okay? So this is a little tortoise shell one that came with the insert. I will share this. Louis Vuitton charges so much for the pochette Matisse, I mean not the pochette Matisse, but the little pouches. It is crazy for what they are charging. I have taken this little bag that came into my trio, okay? This is the 26, this is the 19, this is the 15. I have taken that, okay, and now I have this. I can unzip it. I have a big pocket on the back. I'm gonna take it out and show you. And then I have 8 slip pockets, okay? So let's say, Michelle, that chain, I do not like it. It's hideous. No, no, no. Fine, no worries, okay? We're gonna take this chain off. Then I am going to take my GM loop hobo, okay? Oh my gosh. Please go and look at the video I did. This is one of my favorites. Second to the Speedy 30 Damier Ebene, the Speedy 30 Bandolier. That's probably my all-time favorite bag. All right, this bag comes with this GM loop hobo. This chain comes with it. I'm going to take it off. Now this is a Louis Vuitton chain, okay? That was an Amazon chain. Same theory applies, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to take it, you're gonna put it here, you're going to put it here. Dun, 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 dun. No worries. Here we go, here we go. Another beautiful chain. This one is a little bit longer. It is much more substantial because it's Louis Vuitton, okay? And there you have it. One other thing. Right now, Louis Vuitton just released the new key pouches, and those are highly coveted and hard to get. Please consider, depending on how you're going to utilize the small leather goods, this might be a great option. This whole set retailed for, I'm gonna say 14, forgive me, it may have gone up in price. The whole set retailed for 14. If you can't get your hands on the key pouches, this might be a great alternative depending on what you're going to use it for. It is truly meant for toiletries. There are no slip pockets. There is no key chain on it. You might be able to put one on if you wanted to. I would be careful about that. In case you're interested, these were made in Paris, and it has a little tab of the Vachetta leather there, okay? But it's very beautifully done. Now let me go and give you a little deeper dive of this insert in particular. It has a full slip pocket back here, okay? I don't know if you can appreciate that. And then there are 8 little card pockets there, all right? So I'm here to tell you, if you go on the Louis Vuitton website, you will see that bag on the website for $17.90. It is nothing but the 26 with some additional Vachetta and some slip pockets within it. So again, please look at that video. I will have it inserted so that you can see. I go into detail about the trio, but my intention was today was to show you how easily you can convert the 26, part of the size 26, part of that trio. You can convert this into a very nice little handbag, and I just love that. I think it's dainty, and for the price point, you can't beat it. It is worth the investment. The little insert, I think I paid 40 bucks for the whole set on Amazon. So go ahead, get one. They come in different shades, colors, and varieties. I hope that you would please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I have so much to share with you. I still have brand new Louis Vuitton purchases that I'd like to unbox with you. And the only way you're going to catch that is to subscribe to this channel. My name's Michelle. I do thank you for watching, and please click on the video here, it's somewhere. Click on that next so that you can enjoy some of my previous videos. That's all for now. Au revoir.